Good morning and welcome to another series with Thomas Frick, a professional cook making unprofessional videos. And today I am going to show you my brother's best brown sauce. And this recipe is first simple. You don't need to blend something. You don't need to cook any vegetables. You just need to cook it. And second, it is actually very healthy because it's vegan and super rich tasting. So before I'm going to start, I'm going to show you what I did the last few days, and that is planting, because it's getting spring. So let's have a look on my plants. They look a little bit sad because they have been grown up in the wrong soil. And then I figured out that you actually need to have good soil for raising plants. But now they're getting better and better. These are tomatoes, and here I'm growing some pumpkin seeds. And this is actually celery root. Did you know that you can grow celery root that you have bought from the store? I'm going to try this out, and I'm looking forward for how they will look like. And here outside I have used egg shells, containers, egg containers. And this is a very bad promotion for being vegan cooking channel, but it is very good for raising up plants. So yes, you can try this out also. And this is the beautiful nature of Norway. Look at this. Ta-da! But let's start. So what do you need for the most tasty and rich, easy, simple brown sauce for your potatoes and vegetables? It is not more than 3 ingredients. Isn't that super simple? First ingredient is coconut milk. This is getting warm here. Second ingredient, maizena. Third ingredient, soy sauce. And if you want to make it different, you can also add some broth. I have some potato broth here. You can also use that. Or you use yeast flakes. My brother actually likes to thicken and actually put a lot of these yeast flakes in this. But I would leave that up to you. I like it also without yeast flakes, but that's also very tasty. And you can also put bay leaf, whatever you like. So I created a little slurry here with my maizena. And just a general rule that is maybe also good for you cooks. You take, for a medium thick sauce, 1 tablespoon of maizena for 1 cup of liquid. So I have 500 milliliters, so 2 cups. So I took 2 tablespoons of maizena and also a little bit of water. This might be a little bit too much water. You actually just need 2 tablespoons. So 1 tablespoon of maizena and 1 tablespoon of water to make the slurry. And then another nice trick that you might be interested in is if you want to salt something with soy sauce, and that's what we're going to do today, then you need for each cup 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. So these are 5 tablespoons for 500 milliliters, or in other words 2 cups. So I'm going to add the soy sauce in here, and you see it's getting nice and brown. And I want to tell you something why I love this brown sauce so much. Before I became vegan, which is like 6 years ago, I think, I used to love condensed milk. And this is, if you have never tasted, it's like a very sweet and kind of a little bit also tart taste maybe. But it's a very significant taste that I could not find in vegan food after I became a vegan, until I found out that coconut milk and soy sauce actually create this flavor that condensed milk has. So this is something you know from brown cheese. It's a similar tartness, similar taste. And let's just taste our brown sauce. It has a nice silky consistency. I can take it down. This is so hot. Ouch. This is super delicious. I want to recommend you to try it out yourself, taste it, and share this video if you like it with the whole planet, everyone whom you think this could be a blessing to. So I wish you a good brown sauce cooking, and you may like and subscribe this video and share it, and maybe you can even make a video for me while you're making this. I would be super happy. And even your comments, I like your comments, so just write them under this video. So greetings to my brother Imanuel, and see you next time. God bless you.